YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box on an ANA complete valve. We are going to go over the 6-port top feed 1.5" T valve, so stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got a what's in the box for you guys on ANA's 6-port top feed 1.5" T valve. This is a complete unit, so this is meant for either brand new construction or if you're doing a revamp of some sort and you guys want a brand new valve, maybe your base is leaking and you guys just want to cut it out and start fresh with a brand new one. That's what this is going to be meant for. It will not, currently it doesn't replace any other 6-port out there. So it will need to be an existing ANA 6-port that you guys are actually tearing apart. And then it is an 1.5". So if you guys do not have 1.5" plumbing, you guys will have to use reducers. So if your current one is an 1.5", which they do not make the 2-inch, so you're going to end up having to use some kind of reducers if you don't have 1.5" pipe. So, but pretty straightforward. What comes included is the entire new valve. So ANA's made some changes away from this brown, and they've actually gone with the black. So it's just a different plastic that'll just hold up better to the actual elements, especially for us out here in Arizona when you're dealing with these things sitting by your equipment and just getting direct heat all the time. It was really important to make sure that they upgraded this form of plastic. So because this is pretty much shaded, some of the newer ones will have the black base as well, but this is just some older stock for us right now. So that's why this one has the 2 different colors. This does have a QuikStop already included on it, where when you're dealing with a lot of the other top feeds, you can actually get it with or without the QuikStop. This one will come with the QuikStop already attached for you guys. So the whole purpose of this QuikStop is just as you guys are watching your head cycle through, you guys can actually turn this little knob, and the knob will actually pause the gear kit on that cycle so that you guys can make sure that each head is operating efficiently for those cycles. So it's normally meant to be used in terms of if you've got some heavy debris in an area and you want that cycle to run a little bit longer, you guys can pause it. But typically once you guys get this installed, you just kind of let it do its thing. It's going to cycle through all the different ports and make sure that the heads operate efficiently. But again, just in the rare case that you guys are interested to see how many heads you might have on a zone, or if a head is not working on a zone, that's what this QuikStop will work for. So they do give you a big old giant yellow sticker here that's making sure that you guys actually take this thing apart before you fire up your system. So for new construction, if you actually take this out and you put this on a pool brand new, you have to open this up. There is a PVC ring located on the bottom. I know you guys probably won't be able to see it very well in the video, but it's actually set underneath the T-flaps here, which actually keeps them raised up. So as your plumber or you yourself, if you're doing this, try to actually prime and glue this, that you guys don't run into getting any glue on the actual flaps, because if you glue the flap closed, you guys are kind of SOL and you guys got to hack it out and start over. The glue doesn't just come off very easily. So they put this PVC ring in there specifically to lift those up so that just in case you get any glue up in there, that you're not going to glue down the flap. So very, very important that you guys are going to open this up, take the band clamp off, take the top off, get underneath the gear kit and remove that. So that way you guys can actually also practice on making sure that you know how to set the gear kit properly so that everything goes on. Because this is a top feed, you're dealing with a much different impeller than their low profiles. So because of that, you guys got to make sure that everything gets set properly. Otherwise, when you guys go try to put the lid on, it won't close, and then you guys got leaking issues. So again, pretty straightforward. It is a 6-port. As you guys can actually see around the bottom, you got 6 ports. It's not in comparison to like a Paramount, because the water is actually going to be coming in from the top. That's why they call it top feed. So you can't use this to replace any other valve out there right now. It is meant to replace just the same valve. So make sure you guys do that research before you guys go cutting anything out and trying to redo things, because it can get pretty lengthy in plumbing if you guys decide to want to try to do something different. So but yeah, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got these directly available for sale on our website. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We should be trying to get one of these out in the field for you guys so we can do install videos as well as the what's in the box for you guys. So until then, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.